Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. So it's your boy Baby Trader again. Now I want to talk about account sizing, like how do you size your account properly? Because most people compare forex trading to gambling, and this is basically what distinguishes or differentiates you, a trader, from a gambler is when you size your accounts properly. So I'll be a little quick on this. So let's say you had Euro USD assets. You have Euro USD assets and you have to go short or go long. Let me just do a small analysis and tell us how to go about it. Let's say, good, saw this zone before pre-proud now. You saw this rejection candle here, then you went short. Let's say this was your target. That was your target. And this zone, this block here was your entry. So let's say you were to go short on Euro USD from these rejection candles rather down. So you pick your short position to, let's say the SL above the zone, and let's say you targeted 1 to 5, good. So now assuming this was your setup on Euro USD, what do? You pick your price range to come to the side of your trading. You see your price range tool here. Pick your price range to measure how many pips your SL will give you, which is, I think, a good. We have 8 pips here. But if you click on this stuff here, you see the 0.0083. Remove all the zeros, you have 8.3 pips as your SL. So after you've done your technical analysis, you've seen your entry points, you mark it out to measure how many pips your invalidation zone, which is your SL, will give you. Then you go to my FX book. My FX book. It's a free page. Once this page loads, it's a free page, like I said. Once it loads, you go to FX calculator, click on it. Then you go down, you see position size calculator, click on it. When you are done, you see this page. Then you look for the asset you analyze, which was Euro USD. You go back there, you search, type in Euro USD, Euro USD. Account currency, you can put anything, but for me, I work with US. So let's say, okay, for the account size, you work with how much you funded. So let's say you have a 500 USD account, 500 USD account. Then this swap, risk to ratio, swap with money. I don't trade percentage. You click on swap with money so you know how much you are risking per time. You can see it has changed to money in USD. Instead of risk to reward in percentage, you click swap with money to change your money in USD. So now out of your 500 USD, how much are you willing to risk? Okay, now I'm willing to risk $10. So let's say you have $10 there. Then from your analysis, your stop loss pips was how many? Go back to trading view and check. There we had a 8.3 pips. So you go back and type in 8.3. You leave this one, then you click on calculate. So the actual lot size you have to use to take this trade now is lot 0.12. That is when you size your account. Then let's say, okay, you wanted to risk 20 USD out of the 500. Click on 20. Come back here, calculate. You use lot 0.24. Then let's say you are so rich, you want to risk $100 out of the listing. You click on 100 USD. Click on calculate. Use a standard lot 1.2. And let's go back again. Let's say you want to trade Okay, GBP card. I think I traded this pair last week. I don't know. I can't remember. Okay, good. Yes, this was the analysis. Good. This was it exactly. I traded this pair last week. I was waiting for re-entry here, but it hasn't occurred yet. So I'm still waiting. So okay, let's size account for this now. So for this one, this was a 19 pips SL trade. I'll walk us through the analysis side later, but this was a 19 pips SL trade. So you have GBP card as the asset, 19 pips SL. You go to your position size calculator on my FS book. Asset is GBP card, GBP CAD. Click on it. Your invalidation zone, SL pips is 19 pips. Come back here. Stop loss 19. And let's maintain the same account size, 500 USD. So how much are you willing to risk? Yeah, I'm risking $10. Go down, calculate the same thing. You use lot 0.007. Meaning if this trade should go bad, let's say the trade isn't hit, if it went bad, I will lose just $10 out of my 500 USD I funded. Then let's say you want to risk 50 USD. The same thing, calculate. That's you lost 0.37 lot rather. Then let's say for this trade now, this I've marked my rejection candle already. I'm waiting to go short. What do I do now? I just measure this zone to know how many pips will be there. That's 24. Okay. Then you pick your short position to click on it. SLR as a target 1 to 5. So what do you do? The same thing, GBP card. SL now is 34 pips. My invalidation zone now is 34 pips. So what do? You come back to my FX book, same asset, just the SL pips increase from 19 to 34. I think, yeah, 34. And I have a 500 USD account size. I'm risking $10 now. Click on calculate. Lot size to use 0.04. Let's say I'm to reach 20 USD. Same thing. Calculate. Lot size is 0.0. Then let's say I have to reach 100 USD. 100 USD. Calculate. That's 0.41. So that's that on account sizing. If you have questions, drop comments and I'll know how best to approach it. So that's how you do it. The first step is to do your analysis, check for your entry points, see your rejection candles. We'll talk about this in frequent classes. Frequently, we'll talk about rejection candles and now we enter it. Then once you are done with analysis, mark your entry points and your possible invalidation zone. Then come to my FX book, it's a free web page. Log in, locate FX calculator, FX calculator, FX calculator. Click on it. Then you locate position size calculator, position size calculator. Click on it. Then you come down, you see the currency pair. For this example, we had GBP cards, GBP card, GBP cards. Search GBP cards, click on it. Account size, if you have $1,000, the limit you have, you put it $1,000. Then you always swap with money. Don't do risk to reward ratio in percentage. Swap with money. And how much are you willing to risk? So you can risk $100 out of the 1,000. Then your stop loss pips from the analysis was how many? For this one, we had 34 pips. 34 pips as well. So you come back here, type in 34. Leave this one, this trade loss size untouched, you click on calculate, and there you go. So you use this sizing as a lot size you use to take trades on your Meta trader 5 or your trade locker, as the case may be. Okay, thank you guys. Please watch, subscribe, and share this video. Peace.